Hello everyone, how's going? In this video I'm going to introduce you with this sensor. This is a magnetic float sensor. You see, this floating part is a magnet. To check it, select your avometer to continuity mode, and here's the two terminals. Now let's check how it works. You see, the meter is beeping. It means now it is short, and when it comes here, that time it is totally open. When the water gradually reaches up, then it will also reach with the water, as this is the floating point. So you see, when it comes here, that time the sensor stop working. I mean, now it is open. So using this open and close technique, you can drive a motor or a controller. Now let's dip it in water. You see, this cup is now filled with water, and the sensor should place this way. As you can see, the meter is beeping. It means it is short now, and I'm going to dip this sensor in this water. If you want to drive a pump, that time you have to drive a relay using this sensor, and that relay can drive a big load. So this is how the magnetic float sensor works. Inshallah, I'll try to make a mini project using this float sensor, and there I'll try to show you how can we drive a pump using this float sensor. So till then, take care.